Alright guys, we are here at Edgewater Sports Park for Street Car Takeover. We made a pass last night on engine, but unfortunately it started raining, so we made best use of our time and we flowed our nitrous systems last night. So the nitrous side of Charlie's ready to go, but we still need to make another motor pass. So Brad's happy, he's got some data, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna set it down on motor. If all that's good, then we'll start spraying them. So Brad just handed me this ticket, and I thought for sure
it's terrible.
It was going to be absolutely awful because it spun. Then I pedaled it. I actually think I pedaled it twice, but it just went. We can say this.
Yeah.
It went a 525 on motor with
spinning and pedaling it. Yeah.
It was absolutely atrocious.
Yeah.
This thing's gonna freaking roll.
I can't believe it went a 122 60 foot and it started chattering the tire at like 10 foot.
Yeah.
And still went 122.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it almost ran 140 mile an hour.
Yeah.
I rolled back into it, and then I stayed in it longer than 660, so you'd have more wide open throttle data.
Yeah.
And I'm like, this thing's strolling. Like, we're strolling. Like,
yeah.
That motor is so crisp. You can. It's like before. The only thing I can explain it. When I was riding dirt bikes, I had crappy bikes, right? When I had no money, they're all clapped out, loose, just whatever. But we've made it work. Then I got a brand new motorcycle, and it's tight and crisp, and you're like, hey, I can work with this deal. That's what we got. Yeah, that's awesome. Heck yeah. Tight. Well, let's go back, look at the data, and then maybe we'll spray it. But we probably won't have to spray it until 300 foot.
You're right. Look at that.
Dude, that's insane. It's been 117. That is on engine.
Look how much mile an hour went on motor.
146 mile an hour on engine.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Yeah.
This thing makes a lot more power than.
Well, we never ran the other one on a radial.
Yeah.
On motor.
But I mean, that is.
But it didn't go that kind of mile an hour.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah.
That ain't no punk on engine.
Dude, this thing's gonna fly.
Yeah, it is. Brad never says that either.
Now a word from our sponsor.
Want to weld buttery dimes like a pro? Enter our Everlast Welder giveaway for your chance to win the ultimate welding package.
We're not just giving away a machine.
The winner will also receive a welding helmet, gloves, and cups from Furick. Plus, you'll spend a full day at Tin Soldier HQ, learning all the tips and tricks from Jason and the rest of the boys. To enter, grab some merch from our website, including the limited edition Dimes Over Dishonor t-shirt, and you're in. Every dollar spent is one entry into the drawing. One lucky winner, one epic prize. Will it be you? Weld like a soldier boy. Enter today. TinSoldierRacecars.com.
All right, guys, we are rolling in the first round. We are done with motor passes just in time for us to spray this thing. Brad's got one kit lined up, and we'll see if it's enough. Let's get it. Boys, we got heat back. That's a big deal here. He said he didn't want a no prep race no more, so he's coming. He doesn't. He just like
Wheels are on. Time to shine.
Yeah, he magically had to work all year. We put radials on it. Look at him.
He had to work to be able to buy a new motor.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah,
Somebody had to.
Yeah,
He's bankrolling
the motor
them.
was coming, so I had to work for it.
He knew we were going to blow that one up. So that was first round. It went really good. For our nitrous guys, that was a 40 jet that we just sprayed. So not
Full kit.
Nah, just a 40 jet, a small jet there. We got
All the way around, all the way down the
we got
track.
a lot, and that's I don't know. That's a Brad question. I don't
He
think
said
so.
you went to the 660.
Yeah, I did. I ran it all the way. So we were going to run it at 330, but would have been the smart thing to do.
Swim for
but
it.
yeah, I felt good, and they're like, if it feels good, just because we don't want to take it out. So that's what we did. We got the round win. He's gonna probably pull out all 8. And we're gonna look at all the plugs, look at the tune-up. Dougie's working too, and it's gonna be a really busy night, dude. It's gonna be round, then pull plugs, round, then pull plugs, and all night.
Start! Play that tape back!
All right, Nick's ready for a recap, but I think we need to talk about that awesome wheelie. Rick, insert clip again. Yeah, it was like, I didn't see it. I didn't even know what happened until I got back. Nick showed me the shot, and he was like astronaut, dude. Like, to the moon, right?
Taking off.
Space shuttle, just it's a little faster than that, though. But yeah, so that happened. Dude, Charlie ran fantastic. On one system, this thing is rocking and rolling. The 60-foot was killer, and we have a lot more to go. So super happy. We got more to go tonight. We're rolling in the 3rd round.
Did the squiggles do good? Were you happy with them?
We're still working on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You happy with that pass?
Yeah, it went way faster in the 60-foot than I thought it was going to. I tried to pick it up a little in the 60-foot. It picked it up a lot in the 60-foot. Yeah.
But it took
real
it.
happy early. Yeah, it went a little bit to the right, so I think I'm gonna make a chassis adjustment. But yeah,
clicks.
overall, I mean, everything looks pretty happy. So
Good
just
news.
gonna keep turning it up,
Little by little.
little by little.
The other,
Couldn't do the intro because he already put his helmet on. He said he's all mumbled.
I mean, you don't know if you can hear me or not. Can you hear me?
So we're down to 5 cars, and we drew our buddy James Short. That thing's fast, so we're gonna have our work cut out for us. But we need more nitrous, but we're not ready yet. So we'll see what happens.
Scramble button, boys. I got no freaking scramble button.
Yeah, we need the Gorilla Flames, but we ain't ready for Gorilla Flames.
Well, that can't be good.
All right, boys. We that was a really close race. I would love to see the margin of victory. We were in front at the mile-an-hour cone, and then James came around us. We did everything right early, except I don't know, it popped. So something happened. Brad's gonna look at that. Which whatever. It sucks to lose, but tonight that was on one system. We have. That sounds
this was
stupid.
our test night,
This was
boys.
our test night.
You
weren't
can't be
even-
mad about anything.
I know, but I'm too.
This is literally.
We're too competitive. Bro.
Yeah, I think
Brad actually took. So I normally have a scramble button. He took it away from me. He did.
Oh.
Lost crank signal.
See, we knew that.
Well, that's weird. So that's what happened. That's why I popped.
And that's why I went slower.
That's why I went slower.
And we lost.
And we lost. Lost crank signal.
But we've got a lot of victories tonight.
Well, yeah. Lost crank signal. So yeah, we're gonna figure out why I did that. But this thing is bad. It actually went almost as fast as we've been on 3 kits on 1 kit tonight. So that's
Dang.
a nice piece.
That's going to be nice. We
It's
just
gonna
got
be
to
nice.
dial it
Gotta
in.
Have patience. Not great enough. So as always, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate you watching. We'll see you later.